this up. Exactly. Okay, west here.
It's Blight. What the fuck is that? That's enigmatic. They're going. I'm gonna clap this front. Get out. It should be free disengage for us.
Don't stack.
Did we use Resi on you?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Sub it further, please. I need space to kite.
They Night Helmeted. Are you ready?
Base scale, please.
Hit now, that front. All of it. Oh, we are a bit fucked. I'm pushing out.
It's fine. Where do we kite, Simon? Again, northwest?
Yeah.
They're gonna engage on Suzuki shortly.
I mean, we'll see
Stop,
for this,
go
like we
north
do,
with me.
like... Yeah, it's fine.
We'll see.
Look a bit deeper on the back line now, just in case.
I think they're gonna go on you.
Yeah, they missed.
West.
Yes, yeah.
Wait. The button's gonna end. Now hit the back line.
Close,
Okay.
close.
On me.
Stop base scale, please.
I used it. Fuck. I used
I still
it,
have
like,
reci pot. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
Further, please.
I have 10 for cities.
Okay. It feels bad.
Can you blink?
Are you ready?
Okay,
Are you
please.
ready?
The kite, full kite now. Full kite.
I
Full
don't know.
kite.
Oh, base scale, nice. When you have blink.
We're kiting to portal. Fuck.
Okay,
Yep.
we're gonna blink soon. Okay,
I'm stacking.
change direction,
I
guys.
got no blinks,
Same.
nothing.
I'm gonna clap in a second. Get
Down
ready.
here, no
Clap now.
Southeast.
Kite.
Nice, stop
They got
there.
enigmatic, what?
Yeah.
The fuck is this?
Walk up.
They're scared. They don't get healed enough. It's 7 of them and it's 1 nature.
Don't be overconfident, guys. They just don't want to go
Yeah.
down there.
Yeah.
Let's just kite northeast now.
Yeah, good idea.
Or-
Stop. Your position is behind me.
I still have resi pot. If they go on me, that would be good, I guess.
Okay, use this.
They're going. They're sprinting for this.
Okay,
I'm
fast
stacking.
scale.
I can't get any stacks. Oh, I stacked. Oh, on this. Oh, no. Wait.
Okay, the
That was
purge
bad.
now.
Stop. Position.
Fuck. With the kills.
Keep kiting. Sub it. Don't hit. Don't hit. Sub it. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, I'm slowing me down with Q.
They're going in. Care. I'm
think
stacking. I'm
somebody's-
starting to stack. They're going
After
on me.
Guardian. After Guardian. You need to.
Yeah.
Need a face
Hit now.
here.
Oh, nice.
Now we just
Don't
brawl
be
into them.
overconfident.
We just
Yeah.
brawl now, Simon. It's just... This guy's looting me.
Don't let him loot. I'm chasing the other guys. Worm, go back.
He's-
Worm, go back.
Okay. Oh, he's coming to you. He's coming to us
Yeah.
anyway.
I'll push him to you.
Simon's mount up.
Mhm. I can clap into. They're probably gonna stack maybe
I
now.
haven't.
Coming to you,
I'm
coming to you.
lagging. I'm lagging. Okay.
Are
I'm
you
good.
fighting?
Okay. I'm lagging. What the fuck? Okay, I'm good.
Oh, Kawu. Let's all see.
I hit him with a full barrage. I'm seeing. There's a guy behind us. SC Bears.
Let's kite, and look in 5. Don't hit him.
I'm good, I'm good. I soldiered. I'm up, sucker.
Okay, look in 3. In 3, in 2, in 1.
Blood Moon down. I'm gonna cleric. Actually, no. Can
They're
kite
really,
up?
they're really raw. We should, I'm gonna put pressure on them.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna kite. I need to reset.
I'm up. Sucker,
In
can
3,
you
in 2,
go?
in 1.
I'm not on the front line, not on the... Wait,
Sorry,
wait.
sorry. Can you kite?
I will see it already. I just wasted fucking... Okay. I'm up.
Okay, look in 3, in 2, in 1.
I'm up in 5. Invite these people, maybe. Up in 5, up in 5. I'm up.
Yep. In 3, in 2, in 1. On him. Go. You dashed out. Oh my god. We need to like really kite and I'm getting perma CC'd.
I'm up.
Okay, look now. On him.
Can we hit the backline, maybe?
Okay, now. On healer.
Healer dead.
One more healer alive. Go on road, finish the other healer.
These are other people, I think.
Can you kite?
I'm up, sucker. Holy fuck. Where are you? Where are you?
Look on
Wait,
these.
wait,
On 3.
Looking?
These 3.
Heal the battle axe, maybe. Okay, okay. I'm up in 8. Is healer lagging? What's he?
Okay, look on these guys.
Wait, wait. I'm up. Say when, say when.
On these 2 now.
Ah, fuck, I didn't have explosive arrows. I'm running low.
Wait,
on
wait,
mana.
wait. Just
Look at
no.
the battle axe. Look at the battle axe north.
Fuck that.
Sob, can you kill him?
All the loot. They have all the loot.
Really?
I got 10 mil. I got 10 mil. Fuck, don't worry, don't worry.
Okay,
Got 10
look
mil.
in 3.
Wait,
2,
wait, wait,
in
wait,
1.
wait. 5 seconds.
Ah, fuck.
I mean, we can, but... Well played, well played. Healer going down, healer going south. I need you, Sob. On ping if you can.
Leave them, leave them.
Do you have?
Yeah.
Look now.
I'm up.
Ah, missed. Go kite. Go kite.
They're trying to fish me.
No Graveguard helmet. Let's go south, right?
Yeah, yeah, south,
No,
south, south.
full kite. Full kite. Full kite.
Stacking too much.
There's no way that the W hits everyone.
Stop. Cats.
It's fine, it's fine.
Can we?
I'm up, I'm up.
Oh, they...
Yeah,
Very
GG.
good,
It's
stop.
fine, stop, right?
No, no, it's fine. Fuck, man.
I'm up, I'm up, I'm up. Let's go, let's go.
Look now. On 3 of them. Ah,
no
he fucking
way, you missed that.
dashed out. So lucky.
I saw food. Wait, I'll eat good food.
I got kidnapped. I need
Getting
help.
engage on.
I'm
getting-
running.
what
I'm
the
full
fuck?
running. I'm
I
full
can
running.
Graveguard helmet too.
Look now. Look now.
Ah, it's 1 HP!
I can execute. Wait, wait, wait. I can execute.
Nice, 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 nice.
Can we kite? Please.
Focus, focus, focus. We're fine.
He's gonna kidnap someone, Vicar.
I'm up.
Okay. Look in 3, in 2, in 1.
Nice. I don't see an issue with longbow, bro. I'm gonna be honest.
Actually, yeah. Pull it out fast enough.
Yeah, because it's me, bro. You know. I'm up.
they have a tank.
Yeah.
They're running?
They'll
They'll
see.
see.
Okay.
What?
Food. One of them.
Imp, tank, carving.
You call all C?
Yeah, I'll see. Get ready on a imp. On a imp.
Looking.
Nice.
Look at the heal, look at the
Chill.
heal 1 HP.
I pierced him.
I'm dropping mana here. I have big damage in 5. Big damage in
Yeah.
5. Ready?
I
Ready?
can
ready.
pull in
I am
3.
ready.
I'm gonna
Go on,
pull.
imp,
Yep,
One.
hit. Oh. Care. I'm gonna windwall the buffs.
We need to
Look
kill
at
him.
imp.
Imp.
Dead.
Imp down.
Look at the
Yeah.
heal.
I pierced.
I'm dropping
Heal's
mana.
dead.
Nice.
They're gonna loot. Never mind.
I got him.
Nice.
Yeah, somebody else needs to do
Did you
something.
kill
I don't
the-
have.
Some guy spawned in the back.
Oh,
I
5
got the
seconds for
carrying.
the man.
I got the carrying.
Yeah, I see. Maybe I even reach him.